In this video, I will be showing you how to set Do Not Print First Page. Do Not Print First Page is a setting in the mailroom that allows you to supply an address as a label when there is no address on your document. This label needs to be set to one address per A4 sheet of paper, and should you need help with this, please call 1300. The Do Not Print First Page functionality extracts the address from the label page. However, it does not print the label so that you are not charged. The extracted address in the left-hand column is then printed on the back of your letter with your company's logo and return address, known as a cover sheet. Hence, there being no reason for the label to be printed or for you to be charged. In my example, I will be printing a label sheet with a pre-saved attachment. I have 26 labels, and I'm simply printing this to the mailroom. When the application pops up, I will be setting Add Attachment, as this is what is needed in my scenario. I then select Advanced Options, and Don't Print First Page, telling the mailroom not to print the label sheet. Next, I will extract the address from the document by a box or a pinpointer. Next, I'm selecting my attachment. In this scenario, again, this is needed. However, this may not always be the case. Should you have a merged document, that is labels and your document consolidated into one large file, you may not need Add Attachment. You may simply need to select Don't Print First Page. Next, my document is analysed, and in the left-hand column, you will see the addresses, or i.e. the envelopes. We are expecting to see zeros here in the left-hand column. When using Add Attachment and labels that are not printed together, the mailroom is advising there is no letter to be printed. Should you see a multiple page count alongside these zeros at the top of the mailroom, please call in on 1300 309 800, as it is possible that two labels have incorrectly joined together. Should you not be using Add Attachment and printing a consolidated label send, you would expect to see the amount of pages of your document in this left-hand column. Any further help can also always be given by any of our team, and we're here to help and assist you. Happy sending.